I'm going to discuss magazines for the AR-15 style firearm. Thanks for watching. These are magazines. They are not clips. They are magazines. Clips are clips. They are a single piece of metal bent in a U to hold cartridges of ammunition. They do not have springs. Magazines have springs. There are two styles of magazines. The traditional magazine has an aluminum body. The modern magazines have a polymer body. And aside from an impact dust cover that's removable on the polymer magazine, they have the same features. In addition to the body, there is a follower that follows the cartridges of ammunition up to position to be loaded, floor plate, and between the floor plate and the follower is a spring. These are feed lips, and this is what they look like on the traditional magazine. Those feed lips retain the cartridge and allow the cartridge to be pushed through and out of the magazine. They both have a catch notch here and here. This is what holds the magazine inside the lower receiver. These magazines come in a variety of capacities: 5, 10, 20, and 30. This is a 30 round magazine. Now I'd like to demonstrate loading. I keep it simple. I hold the magazine in my dominant hand, trigger finger above. I place the cartridge on top of the feed lips, push down with my trigger finger, and then pull the round back. I want this round to be all the way to the back. Next round, I stack it on top, hold it in place, trigger finger, push down, pull back. And I continue until I have the rounds that I'm looking for. Me personally, to avoid feeding issues, I do not put 30 rounds in a 30 round magazine. I'll put 29. I'm always one less. I have found in my experience, I eliminate my feeding issues by not having a magazine that's over its capacity to get the round where I need it to reliably feed. To unload the magazine, very simple. Trigger finger at the back of the round, push it forward, get the round past the feed lips, and the rounds come out. Very simple. And that's all I got. So remember, be safe, stay dangerous, and keep your force justified.